Hi, Reina and Eric. Congratulations for your successful wedding. I know that both of you are very happy today. I am also grateful that you have finally met a right person to you. As a step with the next chapter of your life, a husband and a wife love each other more and more. I would like to thank the family of Eric who helped to prepare their wedding. I love you and I wish you all the best.
Normal. Ay, mo. Hindi ako makasalita.
Sige lang.
Sige na, tuloy mo.
Ayaw, nagatangis na ako.
Ano mo pansinin yun, te?
Alam mo, be, iniisip ko pa lang ito, naiiyak na ako. Kasi, without occasion, na sa iyong pagkakasal, sobra ako nalungkot, pero masaya kasi si Eric ang nakuha mo maging asawa. At sobra din akong masaya sa iyong pagsasama ngayon. Na ako'y walang alalahanin. Hindi ako nawo-worry kasi alam kong mahal ka ni Eric at mahal ni Eric ikaw. Mahirap isipin, mahirap sabihin ang ganito. Kasi nararamdaman ko yung malayo ka sa amin. At ikaw ay nakikita ko lamang sa TV, o kung hindi sa mga salita mo sa cellphone, gano'n na lamang. Pero deep inside, pag naalala ko yung mga nakaraan, ako'y naiiyak. Sige, pagpatuloy mo lang patuloy ko na masaya kay Eric. At lalong binibiling ko sa iyo, huwag mong kalimutan ang Lord. Kahit saan ka man pumunta, nandyan ang Lord sa buhay mo, kayo na Eric. At maraming salamat. Enjoy your life. Yan lang.
Eric and Rina, congratulations on your wedding. Wishing you a lifetime of love, joy, and happiness as you embark on this beautiful journey together. May your love grow stronger with each passing day, and may your life be filled with laughter, adventure, and cherished moments. Cheers to your beginning. I love you to both of you. God bless.
Hi, Rina, Eric. Wow, I know tomorrow is your wedding day. So enjoy your day because you know that is your very, very special day. Congratulations. Yeah, I want to say you, Rina, thank you for the love because that love, kinakarar ko yung love na ibinibigay mo sa akin. Siyempre, namimiss ko yung caring mo. Of course, lahat ng mga utos ko, you've been there because of your kindness. So, thank you. So, alam kong you've been far apart from us because you've been there in America. So, ikaw ang bahala dahil alam ko naman na you've been there to Eric. Of course, dahil yan ang mapag-asawa for a long time. So, we thank and of course for my prayer na nakatagpo ka ng lalaking God-fearing, loving, and very lovable to you. And of course, to the family of Eric, I want to say thank you. And of course, my congratulations for you this day. Goodbye and God bless. I love you.
Hi, B. Congratulations. I hope that you are happy together with a new family there. And I'm so happy because you meet a right person like Eric for you. And I hope you pray always, and I am happy that you are become good mother, and you safety always, and always pray to God, and I love you. God bless.
Hello Eric. Hello Reina. Kumusta naman kayo?
Hi, B. Hi, Eric. We are so glad that you are already in the stage of having a family. So, all I can say is let God be the center of your marriage. Not only an erotic love, but it should be coupled with agape love, because when we say agape love, it will last long. And always remember, as a couple, there are a lot of problems, trials, but try to take or consider this as a challenge. And I do believe that both of you have a great faith to God, and we indeed believe that you will have a better life as couple. God bless you.
Be, happy wedding sa inyong dalawa. Kasi, anong pangalan ni Case? Eric. Hagad namin ang inyong mapayapang pagmamahalan sa isa't isa. Sana magkaroon kayo ng anak, kahit isang lalaki at isang babae na magbubuklod sa inyong pagmamahalan. Thank you, baby, and happy wedding ulit sa inyo. Yung pamasko ko, pag nagtatrabaho ka, kahit 500 na lang. $500 lang pala yun. Oh, malaki yung 500. 100 lang. 100 lang pala ang kailangan ko. Malaki yung 500, baka hindi mo kayang ibigay yun. Hello, Bibi. Iba-iba yung nandyan ka na kasi masaya ka dyan, anak ko. Yan noon pa yan ang iyong panaginip eh. Ano nga ano yan?
Tita Ganda, happy wedding day!
Congratulations!
Happy wedding day!
Hi Reina, happy wedding day. Congratulations on your big day.
Congratulations sis, enjoy.
May God bless your marriage and more babies to come. We are happy and grateful to God that you've already found the one, and we pray that your marriage will stay longer, and we missed you and looking forward to meet you all guys soon here in Philippines. What can you say with Tita? Happy?
Happy wedding!
Happy wedding! I love you, Tita Ganda!
Congratulations!
Congratulations!
Happy wedding day to both of you, Ate Rina and Kuya Eric, or Brother Eric. Truly that the Lord is good, and this is the day that the Lord has made. And I know na ang Panginoon talaga ang nag-provide ng lahat ng inyong pangangailangan, that God really provided everything that you need. So, I would like to say my prayer to both of you that I pray that you guys will have fun and God will gonna bless you with the fruit of your womb, Ate Rina, and also Brother Eric. Thank you for everything, for all the sacrifices, all the effort that you've been from the start, from Thailand, and then now Ate Rina is already there. So thank you so much for all the love and the support that you've given. And please take care of her. Take care of her, okay? Because you know she's so very loving and she's so very disciplined, and I think that you guys are gonna have a good future together. I love you both. I love you so much, Ate Rina. I miss you. I hope. Diyan ako. I wanna go. Bye.
Hi, Eric and Reina. I hope you're doing great right now. I will grab this opportunity to congratulate both of you. To my sister Reina, you truly deserve the blessings that you have received all throughout your life, and most especially your wedding that we have prayed for, and finally it's happening. Oh, I thank God, I thank the Lord for giving you a loving, supportive, and God-fearing husband. And I wish that it will not change as you forever live together in the loving hands of Jesus. And also, I hope, and also to my brother-in-law, I hope you will cherish and love my sister forever. And thank you for making her dream come true. God bless and more power.
Hi, Ate Rain and Kuya Eric. Congratulations on your wedding day. I'm so happy. And to Ate Reina, I love you so much. You know that. God bless you and see you soon with your twins. Bye!